मैडम यहाँ पे
मैम यहाँ पे
यहाँ पे इस तरफ
आवाज देना
मैम डेमो दो ना इस तरफ
यहाँ पे मैम वन मोर फिर
अपना मास्क पहन के चलिए।
फिर से एक बार
फिर से गाइस आप सबके लिए प्रेजेंट है, मास्क है आपके मैचिंग के ड्रेस का। ओके
आगे जाएगा मेरे
नहीं तू आगे था
जब तक माइक आता है तब तक थोड़ा सा
या साइलेंस प्लीज। या सर। यस सर, रोलिंग।
Basically, Urvashi is known to me since last almost 2 years now. So the idea ये है कि she is supporting us on a noble cause. Basically, NR Group has started manufacturing and distributing this kind of cleanser, that is sanitizing material and mask in the form of family kit. Basically, what you get in the market, any product like mask and sanitizer, that is on MRP. So on the noble cause, NR Group is distributing this particular family kit at almost half the price as home delivery. We are launching our website called online goCoronaGo.com. From there, people can purchase the mask and sanitizer, this kind of kit, free of cost. Almost 50% of that with free delivery charges. The advantage of this is a family can use it rather than a single person at half the prices. So we are having 16-18 models in this. We are launching this family kit through Urvashi. She is going to distribute few of this family kit to you guys as well as a couple of other people. So we are again launching office kit, which is specially for office people who are going to start their offices. Basically, this idea would be to give a common man a good product at good price. This mask what we are launching is basically a antimicrobial 3-layer mask, which is water repellent, which is washable 30 to 50 times, and which has got a treatment of water repellent, so definitely water will not penetrate into it, as well as the virus will also not penetrate because of antimicrobial properties. So idea would be to give this kind of mask at a very economical price to public. That is the only reason behind this. So on the basis of this humanity ground, she is supporting NR Group, and we would also like your support to get this kind of big awareness in the public. That is what we are looking from you, your support also.
So this is made in India, make in India, or this is a Chinese product? What is because
This
we
is
have.
what we are manufacturing. The manufacturing of mask is being manufactured by Birla Century. We have signed an OEM with them. So this is again made in India. We have a unit in Gujarat. The sanitizers like the cleanser has been manufactured again in Mumbai. Everything is made in India. So we don't have to depend on any online platform because we have our own online platform called goCoronaGo.com. From there, any person on a click of a button can buy this kind of kits at almost half the prices without any delivery or packing charges. That is the whole idea behind this. It's a purely made in India. Plus, the moment the lockdown is on, you cannot, even if you are not coming down to buy this essentials, you can buy it online from your home. So we can get it delivered at every individual's